you who has raised her voice over the voice of her mother, because your mother is apparently nagging and doing your nut in. Rest assured, take note of the date, take note of the place, take note of the event. There will come a time when your children will raise their voice over yours, and you will remember that it is a debt that you are paying back. There are certain sins that Allah Almighty, through His mercy, through His patience, through His forbearance, will delay the punishment of which for the hereafter. He will not bring about the punishment for it in the life of this world. It may be deferred to the Day of Judgment if somebody does not apologize to Allah before that. There are, however, another category of sins that Allah Almighty simply does not tolerate, and the consequence of them must come to a person in the life of this world. You have to see the effects of it on your life, on your health, on your money, on your children, on your home, in your mental well-being. You have to see the consequence in the life of this world before the hereafter. It won't be deferred. And that is why Al-Hakim narrates on the authority of Anas that the Prophet ﷺ, he said that there are two sins, the punishment of which will be hurried in the life of this world before the hereafter. The first of them, al-baghi, oppression, tyranny. Allah Almighty has to bring retribution in dunya. And this is good news for us, no doubt, inshallah, in Palestine. What you see there from a killing machine that is hell-bent on flattening everything that moves there in Gaza and in the entire region, it seems, this cannot persist. It goes against the sunnah, the way of Allah Almighty in the universe. Al-baghi, oppression, is one of the two, and the second, causing harm to the mother and father. You have to see the outcome of it in the life of this world. There's no escaping it unless you fix the situation with a sincere apology to mother and father and tears of regret. Otherwise, it's a debt that you have accrued and it needs to be paid. So, oh, you who has perhaps slammed a door in the face of your father, rest assured the day will come when the door will be slammed in your face. If you, God forbid, may Allah protect you, brothers, sisters, have become a burden upon the life of your mother or father in any way, shape or form, take note, you will be experiencing a similar burden, and more often than not, life tells us that that burden will be in the form of your own children. This idea of being disrespectful to mother and father and suffering in dunya because of it, there were some studies that were done, a cohort study by the National Longitudinal Study of Youth. And they did a study of young men and women who were disrespectful to their parents as opposed to children who were respectful to their parents, and they observed their life successes. SubhanAllah. And they found that the children who were respectful to their mother and father, or the children who were disrespectful to their mother and father, were more likely to grow up to be depressed, anxious, 3 times more likely to be obese, more fragile, less healthy, and less creative. When is this? In Jahannam? No, in the life of this world. These are secular studies as compared to respectful children. So 2 sins Allah Almighty will hurry the punishment for them in the life of this world, i.e. unless not fixed today before tomorrow. Oppression, causing harm to mom and dad. It's a bad investment choice.